For many years, the common belief has been that growing a startup means hiring more people, more support agents for more customers, more engineers for more products, and more managers for expanding operations. But with the rise of advanced AI, this has changed significantly. Now, startups can generate millions in revenue and serve customers worldwide with surprisingly small teams, sometimes just a handful of people. This new approach, which we call the Lean AI framework, focuses human effort on creativity, strategy, and building relationships, while AI takes care of repetitive and scalable tasks. This makes startups more capital efficient and agile, allowing them to grow faster without the usual increase in headcount. Using AI also means lower costs and longer runways for startups, since they don't need large teams in support, marketing, or product development. Additionally, AI tools speed up processes like prototyping and customer feedback analysis, helping companies learn and adapt quickly while reducing the risks of mistakes. This video will guide you through the benefits of Lean AI, practical steps to apply it, examples from real companies, and the challenges founders need to be aware of. Looking at the images here, you can see the focus on startup ideas, vision, and teamwork, alongside a representation of the vast, data-driven world powered by AI, highlighting the new possibilities this technology opens up for founders. AI brings several advantages to startups, one being operational consistency. Unlike humans, AI doesn't get tired or distracted, so it maintains reliable performance across tasks like onboarding, reporting, customer support, and content creation. This frees founders to focus on higher-value activities. In fact, a founder's time becomes much more valuable because instead of managing a large team, they can coordinate a smaller group supported by AI-driven workflows. This leads to scalability without the usual complexity seen in traditional growth, where layers of management and communication slow everything down and dilute culture. Lean AI startups grow by increasing output, not bureaucracy. A key mindset here is to start with a zero-headcount approach and always ask, can AI do this? This helps identify what truly needs human involvement versus what can be automated. For example, AI can handle tasks like customer support triage, lead qualification, market research, content creation, coding basics, financial forecasting, and workflow automation. Meanwhile, humans should focus on vision and strategy, critical decisions, relationship-driven sales, brand direction, and complex product architecture. This balance ensures efficient scaling while keeping control where it matters most. This setup ensures that humans focus on tasks where they add the most value. Building an AI-first operating system is crucial for a lean startup, providing a strong, automated backbone. For customer support, AI handles routine tasks like answering FAQs, troubleshooting, managing account updates, and generating knowledge-based content, with only complex issues escalated to people. In product development, AI assists by generating code, reviewing pull requests, creating documentation, testing features, and suggesting improvements, helping a small engineering team work as efficiently as a much larger one. Marketing also benefits from AI automation, which manages content calendars, SEO optimization, social media posts, ad copy, and email sequences, turning marketing into a scalable system instead of a staffing challenge. Finally, operations can be automated to increase efficiency and consistency across business functions. This approach allows startups to operate smoothly and scale quickly without relying heavily on additional hires. Many routine tasks like invoicing, reporting, compliance checks, inventory or resource planning, and internal communications can be automated or supported by AI, which means startups don't need to hire operations managers right away. Instead of focusing on hiring people for fixed roles, Lean AI companies design workflows that integrate AI agents, automation tools, and human oversight. For example, in lead generation, AI can scrape and qualify leads, draft outreach messages, then a human can review and personalize messages for key prospects, and finally AI handles scheduling follow-ups and logging activity in the CRM. This approach significantly boosts productivity without needing more staff. Alongside this, lean startups avoid the cost of full-time employees for every role by using fractional specialists, contractors, AI co-pilots, and small specialist agencies. This leads to lower fixed costs while maintaining high expertise. Real-world examples show this working well, such as a SaaS startup hitting £2 million in annual recurring revenue with just 3 employees. A UK-based SaaS company significantly reduced their support load by 80% using AI for tasks like automated onboarding, AI-generated documentation, AI-driven support, and AI-assisted coding, enabling them to scale without adding support staff. Similarly, a direct-to-consumer brand managed global marketing with just one marketer by leveraging AI tools for creative generation, ad copy, campaign optimization, influencer outreach, and weekly reporting, allowing them to expand into 12 countries without building a marketing department. Meanwhile, a small consultancy with only 2 people increased their client work fivefold by using AI to analyze data, produce reports, draft proposals, build slide decks, and generate insights, which led to a dramatic revenue boost without hiring more analysts. This shows how following a lean AI framework leads to extreme cost efficiency by lowering payroll, reducing the need for managers, and cutting overhead costs. AI helps startups move faster by running workflows non-stop, which means tasks get done quicker and more reliably. It also cuts down on human error, leading to more consistent results. This lets founders spend less time managing teams and more time focusing on growing their business. Another big advantage is that as the company grows, AI can handle increased output without needing to add more layers of staff, keeping things simple. However, there are risks to keep in mind. Relying too much on AI can be a problem if something goes wrong, since a small team might not fix issues fast enough. While AI can help generate ideas, it doesn't match the depth of human creativity and intuition. Founders also need to know how to use AI effectively, or they might struggle to build good workflows. With fewer people involved, there are fewer viewpoints and less collaboration, which can limit company culture. Finally, it's important to carefully address data privacy, bias, and transparency to meet regulatory and ethical standards. The Lean AI framework changes how startups grow by shifting the focus from simply adding more people to leveraging AI to handle routine operations. This allows founders and small teams to concentrate on strategy, creativity, and building relationships. It's not about replacing humans but redefining their roles so smaller teams can achieve what larger groups used to handle. This approach lowers costs, speeds up decision-making, and builds a competitive edge based on efficiency. Startups adopting this model early will scale faster, stay leaner, and innovate more effectively than their competitors. The future belongs to those who combine human insight with AI-driven power to build companies that are smarter, not just bigger. The image here highlights how AI can amplify growth and operational capability, illustrating the pathway to smarter scaling and shareholder value.